Today, I'll be guiding you what are the best Telegram bots. Make sure to watch the video till the end in order to get the full information about the best Telegram bots. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, open the Telegram application. Once you are here, on the top right, you can see the search icon, tap on it, and you can type in GAMEE, and next to it you can see the blue tick mark, so you need to tap on the game bot. And here, since I already have opened it, here you can play different kinds of training games. Here you can see the list of different kinds of games, and you can play the training games as well, so you can compete with friends or play solo also. Let's tap on play on any game, and you can play the games itself in the Telegram application. When you tap on play, wait until it has been loading. Play different interesting games here itself in Telegram. Let's tap on play, and following the instruction you can easily play the games in this way. So once you play, you can enjoy the game here. And let's come back. So this is one of the first base Telegram bot. Let's come back. The second one is go in the search bar again and type in functions robot. So it is one of the best bots on Telegram. So the important features of this function robot bot is it makes shorten URL, make or read QR codes, encrypt or decrypt the messages, translate, convert text to voice, and many more functions are here. You can simply use any functions from this bot. The next one is the drop mail. When you search in here drop mail, you can see at the top the dropmail.me. So this, you need to click on it, and then you will get access to this page. So when you type in slash start, the start conversation will be there. So let's type slash get, and a random email will be appeared on your screen. You can use this email anywhere you'd like to. So these are some of the list of the best Telegram bots. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button, and thanks for watching.